Wow, for entrepreneurship now for this summer is it's crazy. It's dramatic. Like it's big. It's massive. When you think about the doors basically opening back up to society, so many people started businesses in the downtime, in the downtime when the pandemic when you couldn't. The true entrepreneurs was creating at that time. So now they're gonna reap the benefits more than ever because there's never really a downtime unless you believe it's a downtime. I don't accept, society's view. I don't care what TV station or what news channel, no matter what they're saying about the economy or doom and gloom. I don't buy into that. I'm always thinking creation, creation, creation. We was given a mind. We got the ability and the power to do what we want to do, and we have will. And so I never buy into the outside. So I was creating when they said we should be down. And there's other people that have that same mindset. It's all about your mindset, So those people that were investing their time wisely in the so-called downtime, when they were investing in the courses and studying and establishing their businesses and getting their LLCs and doing this and learning about what they want to do, they're about to reap the benefits, right? And that's always happened throughout history. They say history repeats itself. Really, it's human nature. The sad thing about us as people is a lot of people, we buy into what they say. We let other people's projections of the economy is going to do this, or it's going to be down, and everybody's sad. And then you start believing that, and then you're not doing nothing. I look at things always. I got the ability to create and change my environment every day, right now, at this moment. So those people that think like that, about to have a great summer.